Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the So Susan Color Curate bag. This is a monthly subscription that is $20.95 per month, and it is always vegan and cruelty free. So let's go ahead and get in the bag and see what we got here. The first thing, of course, is always the card with the theme. And this bag here is supposed to retail for $12. And on the back here it has the products and the price. Doesn't really describe anything, so we'll just kind of play it by ear. I will, of course, always have the prices and the names of the product listed below for you. So the first item we got here is Lip In Cheek Tint by So Susan. And that is what it was looking like. See, this is, I believe this is Tranquil, is that right? I don't know, let me see here. Yeah, this is Tranquil Day, and this retails for $24, and just so you see what it looks like when you open it up, very cute packaging. I've gotten a couple of these before, and I like them a lot. They wear great as lip balms and cheek tints. See, this one's a very nice natural color. I don't have a shade like that, so I'm very happy about that. Let's go ahead and swatch that. That is what that shade looks like on my skin. I think that's a really pretty color. I think that's going to look good on me. Alright, the next thing we have here is Cosmic Light. This is a multifunctional pigment. So this, there we go. Oops. So these pigments retail for $18. Let's see if I can figure out how to open it. This is in shade Disco. And this one looks pretty much just like glitter, which, you know, I'm completely fine with. So let's see if we can open that up. Okay, yeah, this is very much a glitter. I'm going to spread that around on my hand. There you go. I'm going to have a lot of fun with that because it's glitter. Okay, the next thing we have here is Trifle Cosmetics Eye Candy Highly Pigmented Eyeshadow Duo. This is in Fudge. This retails for $14. I have a bunch of these and I love them all very, very much. So I know that this is good and I can recommend that, but I'm going to go ahead and swatch this right here. Okay, so those are the colors swatched. Now I've thought about doing a video with just these eyeshadows. I don't know if you guys would be interested in that. If you would, leave me a comment below and I'll go through and grab all of the ones that I've collected and show them to you. So the last thing in the bag is the Nudify Liquid Matte Set. So Susan, this is of course liquid lipsticks, and this retails for $28. And it comes with 3 beautiful shades. Let me go ahead and pull them out of the package. Now at first I was thinking that like they wouldn't be unique to my collection, but they are, because my colors tend to be a little bit more brown that they send. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these so you can see what they look like. Okay, so those are the colors swatched. The first one, let's see what the first one is called. The first one is called Moon Nude. That would be that one right there. The second one is Peach Nude. That one. And the very bottom one is Pumpkin, which I think is cute. So that is it of what is in. Let's see if there's expiration dates. This lasts for 18 months. So these, yeah, that's more than a year. So I should get plenty of use out of that. Let me see what the other ones are. Yeah, I don't see it on some of these other ones. Okay, so this is 18 months. 18 months. I can't read that one. But anyways, so it looks like the average expiration date on all of them is 18 months, so that's really good. So that means you got a good solid year of use before the formula starts turning on you. Anyways, that is it of July's Color Curate So Susan bag. Let me know what your favorite products were this month, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.